For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to watch movies with friends online on phone using Discord. To do that, go open the Discord app, go to server or create a server with your friends, click this arrow button, expand the voice channel, and click the general button. There will be a pop-up screen. Click on join voice. In this area, drag this portion to the top. Then you will see the button share your screen. Click on it, then select start now. And now you can watch movies with your friends using Discord. Go select the movie that you want and enjoy. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.